Hello and welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Polyline command. Now, the Polyline command is one of the commands in the Draw panel. You can see the polyline here, and it consists of a line and an arc. Okay, that's the Polyline command. And here on this drawing, you can see that here I just have only lines and curves on this very drawing. So I'm going to recreate this very geometry using the Polyline command and also using the specified dimensions on the drawing. So I'm going to start first by creating this line of 8, So I click on the command, on the Polyline command, and start from here. Choose here as a start point. Now draw a horizontal line to the left of 8 units and enter. So I'm going to draw a vertical line again of 20. Okay, so here I'm going to create the first arc. So I'm going to right click, and here I choose arc. Okay, and I'm going to make the chord length of that arc 20. So here I'm going to toggle between the length of the arc and the angle at which I want the arc to incline. So the length of the chord, I make it 20, and I click the tab key on my keyboard to toggle to the angle I need. So I click that and enter angle of 45 degrees. Okay, so that arc has been created. Now I have to continue by drawing a line of 30 upwards. So I right click and choose line. Now I draw a vertical line of 30 upwards. Okay, I'm going to draw another curve, which is a semicircle. So I enter, right click again and choose arc. Again, I'm going to choose, enter a chord length of 20, and enter. Now I'm going to switch over to line again. So I right click again and choose line, and draw a line downwards of length 15. So I draw another line again to the right of 25 units. Now I'm going to draw a line of 30 that is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Okay, so here I have two banners, one by the left and one by the right. But there are two fields there. So the one by the left, I'm going to enter the length of the line, which is 30, as you can see here. This is 30. So I enter a line of length 30. Then toggle by clicking the tab key on my keyboard to enter the angle. And here the angle is 60 degrees. So I enter 60 degrees, enter. So that has been created. Now again, I have to create this arc. So I'm going to right click again and choose arc. Okay, now I'm going to also select the direction at which this arc will lie. So I'll right click again and choose direction. And again, here is the direction, so I click on that. And again, I'm going to enter the length of the chord. Here also, I'm going to make it 20. So I enter 20. And toggle again to insert the angle, which is 45 degrees as well. So I enter 45 degrees and enter. Okay, now I have to draw this line of length 60, so I right click again and choose line. Okay, now I have either click close or simply end the line at this very point, so I click enter. Now you can see that this geometry is complete with all the specifications. So to complete it, finally I'll enter the thickness, and that I'll do by going to the properties panel and choose the thickness for this very geometry. So I'll highlight this just simply by clicking on it and go to the property panel, click on this and enter the thickness and escape to exit. So the geometry is complete. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more of these tutorials.